Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be pairing my Bluetooth speaker as seen here with my JSW TV. Now of course this is my Bluetooth speaker, it doesn't really matter the brand. As long as you have a Bluetooth speaker, go ahead and power it up and we're going to connect it to the JSW TV. Now do note that of course the speaker needs to be in pairing mode. If you have a device that's already connected to this speaker, make sure that it's not connected currently or turn off the Bluetooth on that other device that's paired currently, such as your phone with the speaker. All right, you'll know that the device is in pairing mode as it will blink in most cases blue. All right, so of course this one is not connected to anything. It's now in pairing mode and you can see the blinking light. All right, so go ahead and power it up and place it into pairing mode, which is a Bluetooth speaker. All right, next we're going to do it on the JSW TV. All right, so as you can see here, this is my JSW TV. If you look right here, you'll see the JSW logo. It's right there. All right, guys, so the Bluetooth speaker is off screen, but you should be able to hear it. All right, so I'm going to move now. We're going to go to settings. All right, so we're going to select settings. Once we select settings, we're going to be in here. We're going to move over to Bluetooth. And I'm going to turn Bluetooth on. It will scan and see what it can find. All right, and of course, there you go. It's seeing the S7-1, which is the Bluetooth speaker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it. I'm going to select that. And it's asking you, do I want to pair? I'm going to hit pair. Pairing.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
All right, so if you heard that it's just the speaker, it says it has been connected successfully. All right, so you can see connected right there. All right, so you can see connected there. And of course, there you go. The speakers are now ready to receive the sound. All right, so as you can see there, it's connected and it's now ready to receive the sound. And of course, any sound that's played, the Bluetooth speakers will act as a speaker for the TV, especially if the TV speakers aren't very good. The Bluetooth speakers will give them a boost. So as you can see, it's connected. And of course, it's working perfectly. All right. So I do hope this was useful. And as always, see you in the next one, guys. Bye.